And I think another good point to touch on here, I'm thinking about fruits and vegetables is make sure you're going for the whole version of it. I find a lot of people who go for just the fruit juices end up adding on a lot of sugar in their hurry. Or I'm sure you guys have probably seen this too, is you have the people who think that they're drinking Sunny Delight. I always think the worst is you have the person who's drinking Sunny Delight thinking they're getting a real fruit, and it's just artificial crap.
Right.
Yeah. I mean, and again, kind of like the cereal analogy is junk food. Sunny Delight is junk food.
Yeah.
I mean, you might as well take some water and just dump some sugar into it and just drink it. It's really, and I guess there's some flavor, and probably most of it's artificial. I'm not sure about that, but and that's another thing too, Shawn, is when you said eat the whole fruit, also not just the whole fruit, but eat the whole fruit. Don't put 7 or 8 servings of fruit into a blender and blend it up and drink it as a smoothie. I mean, because we see, you probably see this too, when you're tracking people and they're just having a struggle losing weight. Well, I eat healthy. Well, tell me what you eat. Well, for breakfast, I have a smoothie. Well, what do you put in your smoothie? Well, I put some whey protein in there because whey protein is good for me. Oh, sure. And I put some Chobani yogurt in there because Chobani is good for me. And I put a scoopful of peanut butter because, that can be good for me. Oh, no, they'll say almond butter or something like that. That's right? And then I put a banana in there, an apple, and some blueberries and blackberries. And they're all healthy for me. I'm like, yeah. And then they're like, it's like 1,000 calories. I mean, seriously. Oh, and then, they throw some kind of whole milk in there so they can get their keto in there. And it's like, seriously? And you can drink it like this, but I dare anybody to eat all that stuff at once. You'd be hard pressed to eat the apple and much else.
Yeah.
So smoothies are dangerous.
They are. I always feel like smoothies are like the rug underneath your feet that gets pulled out and you don't even realize it's getting pulled out underneath you.
Yeah, right.
Before that, because also you're flat on your face with a 1,500 calorie breakfast, healthy drink.
Right.